Hello friends. Today I will tell you about Java Streams. Stream is a new abstract layer introduced in Java 8. The Stream API is used to process collections of objects. A stream is a sequence of objects that supports various methods which can be pipelined to produce the desired result. A stream is not a data structure, instead it takes input from the collections, arrays or I/O channels. Streams don't change the original data structure, they only provide the result as per the pipelined methods. Each intermediate operation is lazily executed and returns a stream as a result, hence various intermediate operations can be pipelined. Terminal operations mark the end of the stream and return the result. Intermediate operations. Java 8 Stream has many operations which can be pipelined together to get desired result. Some operations produce another stream as a result and some operations produce non-stream values as a result. The operations which return another stream as a result are called intermediate operations. The operations which return non-stream values like primitive or object or collection or return nothing are called terminal operations. Now let's look at the code. I have a series of example here which shows how streams works. First example is the integer stream, where we are going to create the integer stream using inStream class and its range function, which gives us the range of integer from 1 to 9. And for each items, this is our terminal operations. For each item we are just going to print it out. We can call the print function within the system.out class using the double colon. And then last print statement is blank. Let's run and see how it works. So here we have all the integers 1 to 9 printed out, and again we didn't use the print line, so all of them are printed on the same line. Let's look at the second example. The second example uses an integer stream. But we added a skip here, so we're gonna skip the first 5 elements of our stream. We should only be praying elements 6 through 9. And then the other thing we did differently in this example is we're using a simple lambda expression. To print the item X is fed through the stream. X basically is the parameter that is passed into the for each function, which is a series of integers. And then we're going to print the X again. So let's run this and see how it works. Printed 6 through 9, we printed each one on a separate line, because we use the print line. And you can see what the skip did. We skipped the first 5 elements. Let's look at the third example. So here we again use the int stream to create our stream of objects. However, we put that inside of a print line statement as the parameter for the print line. So what we're going to print is just the sum from range 1 to 5. In other words, 1, 2, 3 amp, 4. It's going to add the sum of those up. And it's going to return that sum to this print line statement, so it prints out only the sum. Let's look at example number 4. The example 4 uses the stream.of function, which is really handy, because you can stream integers, floating point values or strings or even objects. So we're going to pass in as arguments 3 strings which are names, and then we're going to sort it. We use .sorted. You can also pass in if you want your own comparator to the sorted function. And you can also reverse sort if you like. Right here we're just going to do a straight alphabetical sort. Then we're going to find the first item using the sign first function, and then we are going to print out the first item in the list.